Hello viewers, in this video we are to simplified cube root of -2000. But please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Now let's get started. Now with this question, what you have to do first is to look for a perfect cube factor of -2000. So looking for a perfect cube factor, I think -8 times 250 will be alright. So when we multiply this one, it gives us the number under the radical. So I'll have my cube root of -2000 equals, now I'll have my cube root of -8 multiplying this one, that's the another cube root of 250. So these are the perfect cube factor of -2000. So let's move on. So this one gives me -2 multiplying my cube root of 250. So from here, what you have to do next is to look for a perfect cube of 250. So I'll have my -2 multiplying, now looking for the perfect cube of 250, I'll have my cube root of 125 times cube root of 2. So when we multiply this one, it gives us the whole of this one. Okay, so I'll have my -2. Now this one gives me 5 times my cube root of 2. So from here, we know that this -2 times 5 gives us -10, multiplying cube root of 2. So our -10 times this one also gives us -10 cube root of 2. So this is our final answer for this equation. You can use our calculator to check for the final answer. Thank you for watching the video, but please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more videos.